உன்னை அறிந்தால் நீ உன்னை அறிந்தால் உலகத்தில் போராடலாம்.
The highest package of 41.2 lakhs. Their success is a testament to their hard work, perseverance.
Secondly, your representation. You represented yourself in all the activities in these 4 years in our campus, because it always says these 4 years will decide the next 40 years of your life. So you have decided to be unique. You have decided to represent yourself in what all activities were happening inside the campus. But my dream is one day, among all of you, there should be a policy maker of a country. It can be a politician, it can be an IAS officer, it can be an IRS officer, and I want one among you to be sitting here one day and giving away the 3,000 offers to all your juniors. So that will happen. I think you are the greatest batch, because, and the most luckiest batch, I would say, because when you are exiting this year, you gave us recreating the legacy of not only 3,000 plus offers, but one more campus for Satyabama. Satyabama is opening its new campus now in Chennai and Sri Perumbudur very shortly this June. It's all because of the parents. A huge respect to all our parents who chose us, who handed over us, all of you to us, and we have taken care of you, and we are handing over you to your parents. But dear children, please do not forget your parents. I could see everybody has the time to see whatever is happening across the globe. Everybody has the time to see whatever is happening even in the next street, but nobody is concerned what is happening in your own house. Always take care of your parents. If a child take care of the parent, then prosperity starts, success starts, then you start achieving. I think all of you have taken care of your parents very well. That is why all of you are sitting here in this Excellence Award. A big round of applause and respect to the parents whose dream they have dreamt. I could see a lot of parents sitting here for this day to see their child come up on the dais and receive not only the appointment order, but proudly say to the parents, yes, from now onward, please relax, take care of your life, and we will take care of you. Please assure that to your parents. Thirdly, wherever you go in your life, always study. Study has no limit. If you stop studying, they say your life ends. Always keep studying. There are a lot of opportunity, online courses, there are vocational courses, weekend courses. Now the world is very, very big. You have everything in your laptops, in your mobiles. You have the opportunity to study. Please keep studying. I would always say our founder chancellor, when he finished his PhD, he finished it when he was 75 years old in PhD in water resource in the Anna University. So he is a great inspiration that says a person who keeps studying, a person who wants to pursue what he wants to achieve his life, is only when he always continues to study throughout his life. So dear children, always see to that whenever opportunity comes to you, help someone and help someone to study. That will definitely be a blessing and will take you wherever you are. At this moment, I will proudly say why this day is possible. Why always this 3,000 plus is possible for 3 consecutive sets? It was one person, one student who came from here to here. Dr. John Bruce, our proud alumni, our placement director, he's here. The one man's dream to see the happiness not only in yours, in your parents. I think he is a sign of hope to the entire Satyabama family. On behalf of all of you, thank you so much, Dr. John Bruce sir, and your entire team for recreating the history. I think the 2000 coming batches will create a bigger number. But when the celebration started, we had printed 3,045 offers. Between just a couple of days, all the offer, everything, celebration started. But today, when we come, there goes 3,101 placed. And then when I'm coming up, sir said, ma'am, we are standing with 3,126 offers with 301 companies just as we get into the dais. It's a lot of hope, it's a lot of hard work. Always keep in mind, trust in yourself. Trust in yourself, then your journey will be really good. உன்னை அறிந்தால் நீ உன்னை அறிந்தால் உலகத்தில் போராடலாம். உயர்ந்தாலும் தாழ்ந்தாலும் தலை வணங்காமல் நீ வாழலாம். That is always there. Trust in your journey, and I bless all of you with lot of happiness, peace and good health. Let the best of best happen in your lives and in whatever decision in your taking your life. Always be kind and God bless you always. Thank you.
கல்வியிலால் வாழ்வு கரைக்கான தோணின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுபோல் கல்வி என்பது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு விஷயம். இந்த காலேஜில் ஒரு 4 வருஷம் ஜேர்னின்றது எனக்கு ரொம்ப 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 பெரிய ஒரு எனக்கு லெகசியை க்ரியேட் பண்ணி கொடுத்தேன். நான் வந்து பேஸ் ஆன கம்பெனி வந்து HCL டெக்னாலஜி. 3 கம்பெனிஸில் நான் பேஸ் ஆனேன். LTI Mindtree, HCL டெக்னாலஜி, ஆன்சர் சொல்யூஷன் அண்ட் ப்ரைவேட் லிமிடெட். என்னோடய டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வந்து பிடெக் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் டெக்னாலஜி. 3,100+ ஆஃபர்ஸ் வந்து இந்த காலேஜில் கேம்பஸ் ரெக்ரூட்மெண்ட் வந்திருக்காங்க. We are so proud to be a Satyabamite. As said, entry is not important, exit is important.
நான் என் பேர் பாலசுப்ரமணியன் முருகன். நான் வந்து அமேசானில் ப்ளேஸ் ஆகிருக்கேன் 41.2 KG. என் காலேஜில் பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் டீம் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ண சப்போர்ட் எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிச்சு. அதுவும் பர்டிகுலராக DSA கான்செப்ட்ஸில் அவங்க ப்ளஸ்லாம் ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்தாங்க, ட்ரீம் பேட்சிங் தனியாக. ஸோ அது ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிச்சு எனக்கு இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணேன். ஸோ நான் வந்து ஜான் புக் சாரை அந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டியை ரொம்ப தேங்க் பண்ணுறேன். அண்ட் மெரிஜனா ஜான்சன் மேமையும் தேங்க் பண்ணுறேன். இந்த காலேஜில் எனக்கு ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கிடைச்சிருக்கு.
டிப்ளமா இன்ஸ்டியூட் சயின்ஸ் அண்ட் டெக்னாலஜியில் கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் இன் ஏஐஎம்எல் படிக்கிறேன். ஸோ இதுதான் என்னோடய ஃபைனல் இயர். HCL டெக்கில் 4.25 பேக்கேஜில் ப்ளேஸ் ஆகிருக்கேன். ஒரு ஆக்சுவலாக இப்போ இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிடுச்சு. 20 டேஸாக போயிட்டுருக்கேன். ஒரு குட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். சொல்லப்போனால் ஒரு ட்ரீம் கம் ட்ரூ. என்னோடய ஹவுஸ்லேயே நான் தான் எல்டர் ஒன். ஸோ first person to be in a corporate. Thank you Marisina Johnson ma'am, and thank you sir, thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. And I think so pleasure and so great. Thank you.
Per annum, and I really thank Dr. John Bruce sir and also Chancellor ma'am as well as the university for giving me this great opportunity. And the department also helped me a lot with great support and great support whenever I wanted. And they provide me all the resources that we needed every time. And I'm looking forward for the future, looking forward to begin the great journey ahead. And thank you so much.
Hi, I am B. Pavitra from Department of EC, and I am proud to be a graduate of Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. My time at Satyabama was truly amazing, and the campus had a positive, friendly environment, and the faculty were always supportive and helping us understand both academics and life skills. I made great memories and learned so much during my time at Satyabama. The placement cell played a crucial role in shaping my career. They helped me to improve my communication and technical skills, which made the placement process easier. My department also provided strong academic support and helping us understand academic support and practical projects that helped me to learn important skills. And the faculty were guided and encouraged me to explore new ideas and get hands-on experience. Thanks to Satyabama's guidance and support of the placement cell. I am proud to say I got placed at Oracle. Satyabama gave me the knowledge and confidence to succeed, and I am truly grateful for being the foundation of my career. My humble words to students: trust the process, make the most of every opportunity, and success will follow. Thank you.
And it was made possible because of the placement training that we received from the beginning of the third year. Our communication was improved. We were given a lot of aptitude training, and our DSA. Initially, my DSA was not good, but the placement training that we received, because the college provided it, have improved my DSA a lot, and it gave me a confidence that I can be a part of a FANG company. So the whole round that I faced and the question that I encountered during the interviews, a lot matched with the placement training. So thanks to John Bruce sir that he provided us the training and opportunity for us to be a part of a FANG company. And yeah, I joined Amazon with a package of 41.2 LP.
Abdul Rauf. I am from EC department in Satyabama University, and I would like to share how my college was. So at my time in the college, since I am from EC, I didn't get much to learn, so I have explored outside of college, like the data structures and algorithms and web development, etc. I would like to thank the placement cell for conducting the technical training sessions, which has helped us a lot in this entire journey. And I would like to thank especially my EC department, and in that too my Dean Ma'am Nanita Ma'am for constantly supporting throughout this journey. And I have placed in Amazon with the package of 41.2 LP. Thank you, Satyabama.